As indicated by the most recent long-haul figure, Cardano cost will hit 40 cents toward the finish of 2024 and afterward 50 jabber by the center of 2025. Cardano will ascend to 70 cents jibber the extended time of 2026, $1 in 2029 and $1.50 in 2036. Jibber value expectation 2024 to 2025. Cardano cost began in 2024 at jibber $0.5978. Today, Cardano exchanged at $0.3795, so the cost jibber by 37% from the start of the year. The jibber Cardano cost toward the finish of 2024 is 53 cents and the year-to-year change 11%. The jibber from today to year-end, plus 40%. In the principal half of 2025, the jabber cost will move to 55 cents. In the last part, the cost would add 4 cents and close the year at 59 cents, which is plus 55% to the ongoing cost. Cardano expectation 2026 to 20 jibber. These 5 years would bring an increment. Cardano cost would move from 59 cents to $1.02, which is up 73 jabber. Cardano will begin 2026 at 59 cents, then take off to 66 jabber inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at 78 cents. That implies jibber 106% from today. Cardano expectation 2031 to 20 jibber 5. In this period, the Cardano cost would ascend from $1.02 to $1.60 jabber, which is plus 57%. Jibber will begin 2031 at $1.02, then take off to $1.09 inside the primary portion of the year, and finish 2031 at $1.15. It is about plus 203 jibber from today. July jibber 2024. Jibber value expectation 2024 to 2025. Cardano cost began in 2024 at jibber $0.5978. Today, jabber exchanged at $0.4379, so the cost diminished by 27% from the very outset of the year. The estimated jibber cost toward the finish of 2024 is 50 cents and the year-to-year change 16%. The ascent from today to year-end, jibber 14%. In the primary portion of 2025, the Cardano cost will move to 54 cents. In the last part, the cost would add 16 cents and close the year at 70 cents, which is jabber 60% to the ongoing cost. Cardano jibber 2026 to 2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Cardano cost would move from jibber cents to $1.35, which is up 93%. Cardano will begin 2026 at 70 cents, then, at that point, take off to 86 cents inside the jabber a half year of the year and finish 2026 at $1.01. That implies plus 100 jibber 1% from today. Cardano forecast 2031 to 20 jibber 5. In this period, the Cardano cost would ascend from $1.35 to $2.22, which is plus jibber 4%. Cardano will begin 2031 at $1.35, then take off to $1.44 inside the freedom half of the year, and finish 20 jibber 1 at $1.53. It is about plus 249 jibber from today. Jibber 1st 2024. Jibber value forecast 2024 to 2025. Jibber cost began in 2024 at $0.5978. Today, Cardano jabber at $0.3988, so the cost diminished by 33% from the very start of the year. The Guaj Cardano cost toward the finish of 2024 is 48 jibber, and the year-to-year change 20%. The ascent from today to year-end, jibber 20%. In the main portion of 2025, the Cardano cost will move to 52 cents. In the final part, the cost would add 15 cents and close the year at 67 cents, which is plus 68% to the jabber cost. Cardano expectation 2026 to 20 jibber. These 5 years would bring an increment. Cardano cost would move from jibber 7 cents to $1.30, which is up 94%. Cardano will begin 2026 at 67 cents, then take off to jabber 2 cents inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at 97 cents. That jibber plus 143% from today. Cardano jibber 2031 to 2035. In this period, the Cardano cost would ascend from $1 jabber cents to $2.10, which is plus 62%. Cardano will begin 2031 at $1.30, then take off to $1 jabber 8 cents inside the principal half of the year, and finish 2031 at $1.46. It is about plus 266 jibber from today. Jibber 15, 2024. Jibber value forecast 2024 to 2025. Jibber cost began in 2024 at $0.5978. Today, Cardano exchanged at $0.4126, so the cost diminished by 31 Jibber from the very start of the year. The Jibber Cardano cost toward the finish of 2024 is 48 cents, and the year-to-year change 20 freedom. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 16 Jibber. In 2024, we hope to see Jabber 4 cents per 1 Cardano. In the principal half of 2025, the Cardano cost will move to 54 Jabber in the final part. The cost would add 12 cents and close the year at 66 cents, which is plus 60% to the ongoing cost. Cardano expectation 2026 to 20 Jibber. These 5 years would bring an increment. Cardano cost would move from 66 cents to 97 Jibber, which is up 47%. Cardano will begin 2026 at 66 cents, then take off to Jabber 6 cents inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at 68 cents. That implies plus 65 Jibber from today. Cardano Jibber 2031 to 2035. In this period, the Cardano cost would ascend from 97 cents to $1.54 disappointment, which is Jibber 59%. Cardano will begin 2031 at 97 cents, then take off to $1.03 inside the primary portion of the year, and finish 2031 at $1.09 Jibber. It is about Jibber 164% from today. Jibber 1st 2024. Jibber value expectation 2024 to 2025. Jibber cost began in 2024 at $0.5978. Today, disappointment Jabber at $0.4487, so the cost diminished by 25% from the very start of the year. The estimated Cardano cost toward the finish of 2024 is 49 cents, and the year-to-year change Jibber percent. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 9 Jibber. In 2024, we hope to see 45 Jabber per 1 Cardano. In the primary portion of 2025, the Cardano cost will move to 55 cents. In the final part, the cost would add 12 cents and close the year at 67 cents, which is plus 49 Jabber to the ongoing cost. Cardano Jibber 2026 to 2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Cardano cost would move from Jibber 7 cents to 98 cents, which is up 46%. Cardano will begin 2026 at Jibber 7 cents, then, at that point, take off to 77 cents inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at 69 cents. That applesauce Jibber 54% from today. Jibber forecast 2031 to 2035. In this period, the Cardano cost would ascend from ointment 8 Jabber to $1.55, which is plus 58%. Cardano will begin 2031 at Jibber 8